Hello everyone, my name is Prince Sunny Jamulkar. Today date is 2nd February 2022. Today topic is constructor in Java. This is original video. Constructor in a block of codes similar to the method. Yeah, it is called when an instance of class is created at the times of calling constructor memory for the object is uh, allocated in the memories. It is a specific type. This is a specific types of method. It is used to initialize the object. It's called default constructor. Constructor if there are no constructor available in the class. In such case Java compiler provide a default constructor by default. There are two types of constructor in Java. No constructor and no or constructor and permanent constructor. It is called a constructor because it is constructed the value at the time of object's creation. It is not a necessary to write a constructor of class. It is because Java compiler create a default constructor of your class does not have any rules of create a Java constructor. There are two rules defined for constructor. A constructor name must be a same as it is its class name. A construction must have no explicit return types. A Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and synchronized. Types of Java constructor. There are two types of constructor in Java: default constructor and second is a parameterized constructor. Java default constructor. A constructor is called default constructor when it does not have a parameter. Java parameterized constructor. A constructor which has specific number of parameters called parameterized constructor. The parameterized constructor is used to provide different value of distinct object. However, you can provide the same value also. First is class student, int id, string name. Create a parameterized constructor, student id, name and curly bracket. Constructor already in Java. A constructor is just like a method, but without return types. It is can also be overloaded like Java method. Constructor overloaded in Java. Java in a technique for having more than one constructor with different parameters. They are arranged in a way that each constructor perform a different task. They are different by the compiler by the number of parameters in the list of their types. Java copy constructor. There is no copy constructor in Java. However, we can copy the value from one object to another like constructor in C++. There are many ways to copy the value of object into another. In Java, there are by constructor by assigning the value of the object into another by clone method of object class. Copying value without constructor. Copy the value of one object into another by assign the object value to another object. In case there are no need to create the constructor of value one object and another to assign and it's there are no copy construction in Java. We are copy the value from one object to another like construction in say. They are arranged the way or different types compiler number of parameters. That's it. Thank you.